As Mac users, we often get warnings like this when typing commands in the terminal. Operation not permitted while system integrity protection is engaged. Don't panic. This is how macOS protects its operating system. If you want to continue executing the commands, you need to take a few additional steps. First, shut down or restart your Mac. In this video, I chose to shut down. Then I turn my MacBook back on. During the boot process or before the Mac logo appears, press the Command and R keys simultaneously to enter recovery mode. The process of loading can take longer, around 2 to 3 minutes. I edit the video to speed up the loading process. Okay, we are in. The recovery mode interface looks like this. Move the cursor up and click on Terminal. Then type the following code. This code is used to disable system integrity protection. After typing the command, press Enter. Okay, it worked. You can see there's a response saying successfully disabled system integrity protection. Close terminal, then restart your Mac. Once the Mac is ready, go back to the terminal and continue by typing the command. In this example, I typed the command to disable the disk full notification. Okay, successful. Both commands were executed without any issues. I hope this tutorial helps. Subscribe for more tricks.